The question here is write the equation of the tangent line and normal line to the curve. So given curve here is y is equal to 3x square. Observe this example very carefully. If you understand this example, you will be able to understand all the following examples. Given curve is this. Okay. Now you want to find out the equation of the tangent and the normal. First thing is you need to find out the slope of the tangent. How do you find out the slope of the tangent? You first find out dy dx. Dy dx is equal to 3 into 2x minus 1, which is equal to 6x minus 1. Okay, so we have carried out the differentiation. Therefore, what should be a slope of the tangent? At what point have they said? They have said at the point 1, 3. Therefore, slope of the tangent at the point 1, 3 is dy dx at the point 1, 3. Now, what is dy dx at the point 1, 3? You see that the x coordinate here is 1. So you put it here in this x coordinate here. Okay, 6 into 1 minus 1, which is equal to 5. So you're getting the slope of the tangent as 5. Once you have got the slope of the tangent, now we can find out the equation of the tangent. Therefore, equation of the tangent to the given curve at 1, 3 is by point slope form y minus y1 here is 3 is equal to m. M here is 5 into x minus x1. x1 here is 1. So that's it. We have found out the equation of the tangent. You can just express this in the general form. So this is the required equation of the tangent. Okay. Now, once we have determined the equation of the tangent, we can find out the equation of the normal also. How? We know the slope of the tangent as 5. So what should be the slope of the normal? Minus 1 by 5. This is the slope of the normal. Hence, equation of the normal to the given curve at 1, 3 is again same thing, y minus y1, because it passes through 1, 3 is equal to, now slope of the normal we are going to put minus 1 by 5 into x minus 1. Okay, so now you can simplify this here and write it in the general form to get x plus 5y minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, so that's how you find out the equation of the slope and equation of the tangent and equation of the normal to a given curve. Any question here?
No.
We'll proceed with the next problem here, number 2. Write the equation for both tangent and normal line to the curve. So given curve here is y is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, let us call this 1. Okay, this is the given curve. So we will first want to find out the equation of the tangent. So in order to find out the equation of the tangent, we must find out the slope of the tangent, and we must also find out the slope of the tangent at the given point. Now, what is the given point here? Only the x coordinate of the given point is given. So we need to find out the y coordinate. So at x is equal to 0, what is the value of the y coordinate? Minus 1. So therefore, the tangent is drawn at what point? 0, minus 1. This is the point at which the tangent is drawn. Okay. Now we will proceed to find out dy dx, because we want to find out the slope of the tangent. Therefore, dy dx is equal to, you can find this out by u by v rule, x plus 1 into 1 minus x minus 1 into 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. This cancels here, so we get 2 by x plus 1 whole square. This is what you get the value of dy dx. Now at 0, minus 1, slope of the tangent is dy dx at the point 0, minus 1, which is equal to, now you see dy dx we have found as this. What is the x coordinate here? X coordinate here is 0. So you put it here, 2 by 0 plus 1 whole square. So you get this as 2. Hence, what is the equation of the tangent? Hence, equation of the tangent at the point tangent to the curve 1 at the point x is equal to 0 is y minus, see here, the point is 0, minus 1. So y minus y1. y1 here is minus 1. That is why we had found out the y coordinate. Okay. Is equal to m. M here is 2 into x minus x1. So you're getting here y plus 1 is equal to 2x. So you get here 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. That is the equation of the tangent. Okay, now we will proceed to find out the equation of the normal. So slope, what is the slope of the normal? Slope of the normal to 1 at x is equal to 0 is minus 1 by slope of the tangent, which is 2. So minus half is the slope. Hence equation of the normal to the curve 1 at 0, minus 1, or let's say x is equal to 0 only, is same way y minus y1 is equal to slope of the normal minus half into x minus 0. Okay. So that means you can find this out to be x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is how you find out the equation of this tangent and the normal. If for the first two problems are clear, then all the other problems will not be much of an issue, because all the other problems will require only little bit of calculations. The fundamental will remain the same. Okay, so let us proceed to solve one more problem, and then we can continue tomorrow. The question here is the equation of the tangent at 2, 3 on the curve y square is equal to ax cube plus b is y is equal to 4x minus 5. So here the equation of the tangent is already given to you, and the point of contact is also given to you. You only need to find out the values of these constants a and b. Let's write the given curve is y square is equal to ax cube plus b. Okay. Now the point is given to you here as 2, 3. Now we shall proceed to find out the equation of the tangent as we do normally. Okay. So first we will find out the dy dx from the given equation of the curve. So differentiating both sides of 1 with respect to x, we get 2y dy dx is equal to a into 3x square plus 0, right? So that means you're getting dy dx is equal to 3ax square divided by 2y. Okay, so what is the slope of the tangent at the point of contact? Slope of the tangent to 1 at the given point 2, 3 is dy dx at the point 2, 3 is equal to 3a into x square divided by 2 into y. So this 3 cancel, this 2 cancels here. So you simply get 2a as the your slope of the tangent. Okay, divided by 2y. Okay, we are getting the slope of the tangent as 2a. So therefore, what should be the equation of the tangent? To 1 at 2, 3 is y minus y1, which is 3, is equal to m, it is 2a, into x minus x1. Okay, you simplify this, y minus 3 is equal to 2ax minus 4. Means you get here 2ax minus y minus 4 and plus 3 will give you a minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent, right? But what is the equation of the tangent given to you? But the equation of the tangent given to you here, if you see, is 4x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0, right? So this is but the equation of the tangent is given as 4x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. I have written it in the general form. Okay. But what is the equation of the tangent that you have got here? You have got 2ax minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. That means now if you compare the coefficient, x coefficient of this divided by the x coefficient of this is equal to y coefficient of the first one divided by the y coefficient of the second one is equal to the constant of the first one divided by the constant of the second one, right? So this is what you are getting, right? I think there's a small mistake that I've made here. Uh, the mistake here is that when I was writing this equation here, this should be 2ax minus 4a. So that means you are getting here 2ax minus y plus 3 minus 4a is equal to 0. That is what you are getting. Okay, 2ax minus y plus 3 minus 4a. Now you compare. So you get 2a by 4 is equal to minus 1 by minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 4a divided by minus 5. Okay. So you take the first two equalities. That means 2a by 4 is equal to 1. That means a by 2 is equal to 1. That means a is equal to 2. Okay. So you have got the value of a, right? So what is the given equation of the curve? Therefore, the given equation of the curve is y square is equal to, what is the given equation? Ax cube plus b. Put the value of a here. 2x cube plus b. Okay. Because we know the value of a, we have put the value of a. Now you see here, what is the point of contact here? The point of contact of the tangent is 2, 3. So this point must lie on the curve. Since 2, 3 lies on the curve, therefore you put the, it will satisfy. So you put y is equal to 3 and you put x is equal to 2 to get the value of b also from here. So you get 9 is equal to 16 plus b. That means b is equal to 9 minus 16. That means b is equal to minus 7. Hence, what are the values of a and b? A is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 7. And that's your answer. Okay, so I'll stop here.